Hi, this is 3 minutes Blender tutorial, part 16, camera. The camera in Blender does work as the same function of the camera in real life. So, just like anything that outside the camera view will not be recorded. Now we can press lump 0 to switch to camera view. In the camera view you can still interact with the object or even the camera itself. If you just click the edge of the frame, you can choose camera, and then if you press G, you can move it around and then you can rotate it. But now I just move my middle mouse button to get out of the camera view first. You can imagine that the camera have two functions. The first one, you can take a picture with the camera, and the second one, you can record an animation on the camera. In this tutorial, we just try to take a picture with the camera. We leave the animation in the future. So if we want to just take a picture, we just hit F12. And then you can get a basic concept of how your scene going to look like when it's rendered. And then you can see the image is really dull. It's not interesting at all. Because this image is lack of everything, like the color, the lightening, the texture, and anything else in the background as well. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to focus on the operation of the camera. So I already modeled a wine glass for the demonstration of this tutorial. Now I move to layer 2, and then I just press lump 0, and now you found that the glass is out of the camera view. So what we can do here is we choose the camera and then we press G, and then we can pan the camera on the left or right, up or down. If you just want to zoom in your camera view, you can just press G and then press the middle mouse button and move your mouse up to zoom in and move your mouse down to zoom out. Well, basically I use two methods to set the location of my camera. The one I just mentioned is first method, and then I'm going to tell you the second method. So I just press lump 0 to get back to the normal view, and then I press Ctrl, Alt and 0. And now I have set the camera to the location I want. And now I press 12 to render the image. Sometimes the image is not as good as you expect. It involves a lot of things to make the image much better. It could be the lightening, it could be the position of the camera, it could be the material, or it could be the background. The last thing I want to mention here is the limit of the camera. We just try to go to the property windows and then choose the camera button, and then under the display we check the limit, and now you can see the limit of the camera. If I put the glass out of the camera limit and hit F12, you will see nothing will show here. So in order to let the camera detect the object, we just increase the value under the lens and clipping end, and then we hit F12 again, and now you can see the image.